Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take English language class for class 1. Our today's topic is lesson 3 and exercise 1 and 2. Today's lecture number 3 and homework number 2 will be given today. Okay dear students, please look at the book. Lesson 3 is names of people and places, and these are nouns. Okay, so we will see the use of names of people and places as nouns in this lesson. Let's look at this conversation. What do you do, Anil? This boy is asking. I am a doctor. I work in a hospital. The man answers that he is a doctor and he works in a hospital. So doctor and hospital are naming words or nouns. Doctor is the name of Anil's job. Hospital is the name of the place where he works. So doctor is the name of Anil's job and hospital is the name of the place where he works. And these two names are nouns or naming words. Let's look at exercise 1. Write the names of these places. The names are in the box. See, some names are given in this box. Park, zoo, railway station, market, bakery and library. The first one is done. Number 1, you can see breads in a shop. So this is a bakery. This is done. Then number 2, write it in your book as we are reading, okay? In the picture you can see a children's park. So we will write park here. P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. Number 3, you can see animals, trees, and here are people watching them. So this is a zoo. Write zoo here, Z-O-O, zoo. Okay, very easy. Please write it in your book. Let's go to the next page. Number 4. Here in the picture you can see a train and people are waiting for a train. They will get on a train. So this is a railway station. So we will write railway station here. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway hyphen S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station, railway station. Let's repeat again. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway hyphen S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Okay, then next, number 5. Number 5, you can see there are shops and many people are buying things from the shops. So this is a market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Let's repeat again. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Let's move on to the next one. Number 6. Number 6, in the picture you can see people are reading books and there are many books around them. So this place is a library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library. Please write it in your book. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library. So this was exercise 1. Exercise 2, we'll be doing it next, and this will also be your homework. Please complete the homework in your book and as well in your homework copy and submit it in the school, okay? To submit the homework, you must do it in your homework copy as well. So let's look at this exercise. Who am I? Choose your answers from the box. Words are given. Let's read the words first. Pilot, carpenter, tailor. Then driver, doctor, baker. Then teacher, singer, cobbler. Okay, let's write these names where they belong. Let's look at number 1. I teach in a school. So I am a Teacher. The person who teaches in a school is called a teacher. This one is done for you. Then let's look at next one, number 2. I treat sick people. I am a doctor. The person who treats sick people is called a doctor. So write here doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. I repeat, D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Then number 3, I stitch clothes. I am a tailor. So the person who stitches clothes is called a tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Let's repeat again. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Write it in your book, okay? Number 4. I repair shoes. I am a cobbler. The person who repairs shoes is called a cobbler. Let's practice the spelling. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Let's repeat. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. The person who repairs shoes is called a cobbler. Number 5. I make furniture. I am a carpenter. The person who makes furniture is called a carpenter. Let's practice the spelling. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Let's practice the spelling again. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Write it in your book. Then number 6. I sing songs. I am a singer. So the person who sings is called a singer. Let's practice the spelling. S-I-N-G-E-R. Let's repeat it again. S-I-N-G-E-R. Singer. Okay, then number 7. I make bread and cakes. I am a baker. So a baker bakes bread and cakes. So the person who makes bread and cakes is called a baker. Let's practice the spelling. B-A-K-E-R. Let's repeat. B-A-K-E-R. Number 8. I fly an airplane. I am a pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Let's practice the spelling again. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. The person who flies airplanes is called a pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Number 9. I drive a school bus. I am a driver. The person who drives is called a driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Let's repeat. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Okay, dear students, this will be your homework. Do it in your book and then do it in the homework copy as well. Okay. So dear students, this is the end of today's class. Please do the homework properly and submit it on Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.